Hey guys, Shax here, and in this video, I'll show you how to integrate Hubspot with Zapier. First things first, open any type of preferred browser on your computer and search for Hubspot. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Once you are on the home page, look for the marketplace icon at the top right corner and tap on it. A drop-down menu will open up. Inside this menu, access the app marketplace and then search for Zapier. Once you find it, tap on it and then click on the install button. After you do that, the Zapier website will launch. Simply sign in to your account and get to your account's homepage. Here, click on the Create Zap button and the automation editor will open up. You will then select Hubspot as the trigger app. Next, choose an action app and select the automation you want to set up. Once you have everything selected, test the automation to see if it is working correctly. If everything is working fine, click on the Publish button and then select Publish and turn on from the pop-up. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.